Mental retardation, now more commonly referred to as intellectual disability (ID), is a developmental condition characterized by significant limitations in both intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior. This condition originates before the age of 18 and affects various aspects of an individual's life, including learning, communication, social skills, and daily living activities. Let's delve into an overview and illustration of intellectual disability. Understanding intellectual disability. Intellectual disability is defined by two main criteria: intellectual functioning. This refers to an individual's general mental capacity, including learning, reasoning, problem solving, and abstract thinking. Intellectual functioning is typically measured using standardized IQ tests, with an IQ score below 70 to 75 indicating potential intellectual disability. Adaptive behavior. This encompasses the practical, social, and conceptual skills needed for everyday life. Adaptive behavior is assessed through evaluations of an individual's ability to perform daily activities, communicate effectively, and interact socially. Causes of intellectual disability. Intellectual disability can result from a variety of factors, including genetic conditions. Examples include Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome, and phenylketonuria (PKU). Prenatal factors. Exposure to alcohol, drugs, or infections during pregnancy can affect fetal brain development. Perinatal factors. Complications during birth, such as oxygen deprivation or premature birth, can lead to intellectual disability. Postnatal factors. Infections, head injuries, malnutrition, and exposure to toxic substances during early childhood can contribute to intellectual disability. Levels of intellectual disability. Intellectual disability is categorized into 4 levels based on the severity of the condition. Mild. Individuals with mild intellectual disability may have an IQ score between 50 to 70. They can often achieve academic skills up to the 6th grade level and may live independently with minimal support. Moderate. Individuals with moderate intellectual disability have an IQ score between 35 to 49. They may achieve academic skills up to the 2nd grade level and require moderate support for daily living activities. Severe. Individuals with severe intellectual disability have an IQ score between 20 to 34. They may have limited communication skills and require extensive support for daily living activities. Profound. Individuals with profound intellectual disability have an IQ score below 20. They have significant limitations in communication and mobility and require constant support and supervision.